work out this fraction. We have 3 over 5 minus 1 over 20 multiplied by the fraction in the next parenthesis, which is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 4. We have to work it out. So we have multiplication joining the two brackets. So how do we go about it? Solution. So the first thing we do, we settle the parentheses one after the other. So let us start with this. So we have 5 and 20 at the denominator. So we need to look for the LCM of 5 and 20. How do we do that? We have 5, we have 20, okay? So when you start with 2, we have 5 here, we have 10. We have 2, we have 5, we have 5. We have here 5, 1, 1. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. So the LCM of the denominator here is 20. Okay, so what we do now is to say 20 divided by 5 is 4, multiplied by 3, we have it to be 12, minus 20 divided by 20 is 1, multiplied by this is 1, okay. So our result here is 12 minus 1, we have here 11 over 20 for this. So let us look at this. The LCM of 3, 6, and 4, so we have 3, we have 6, we have 4, so we can start with 2. So we have here 3, 26 is 3, okay, 24 is 2, so we can still use 2. So here we have 3, it's not possible, we repeat it back, okay. 2 into 2 is 1, so here the next prime number I can use is 3, okay. So here we have 1, we have 1, we have 1. So when you multiply this together, so we have 2 times 2 times 3, okay. 2 times 3 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, so the LCM of this is 12, okay. So when we now say 12 divided by 3 is 4, 4 times 2, that gives 8, okay, plus when we divide 12 by 6, we have 2, 2 times 1 is 2, okay, minus 12 divided by 4, we have it to be 3, 3 times 1, we have it to be 3, okay. So from here, I can say 8 plus 2, that is 10, 10 minus 3, that gives 10 minus 3, that gives 7. So here we have 7 over 12 for this, okay. But we have multiplication joining the two parentheses. So for this, we have it to be 11 over 20. For the second bracket, we have to be 7 over 12. So we multiply times 7 over 12. So here we will ask ourselves, do we have anything we can simplify? We have 11, we have 20. We have 7, we have 12, so nothing can simplify this. So what we do is to multiply out. We have 11 times 7. Here we have 20 times 12. So 11 times 7, that gives 77 over 20 times 12, that gives 240. The question says the product of two numbers is 7.5 and one of the number is 2 over 3. Find the other number, okay. Okay, so when we look at a question like this, it's a word problem, okay. So we have to interpret this and solve it. So when you look at this, it comes with 4 alternatives, so we have to pick the right answer out of the 4. So how do we go about this solution? So here the product of two numbers, product has to do with multiplication, okay, of two numbers. The numbers, we don't know the numbers, but when we multiply the numbers together, we have 7.5, okay. So, and the question further says, and one of the numbers is 2/3. So let us assume the two number is A and B, okay, or let me say X and Y is the two numbers, okay. So the product of X and Y, that is X times Y, gives 7.5. But the question says one of the number is 2 over 3. So let us assume X stands for 2 over 3. So here I'll fix it back and say 2 over 3, which is X, times the second one is unknown. So I have to figure out this. So I'll equate everything to 7.5, which is the same thing as saying 75 over 10. Okay. How do I do that? I change this to decimal by moving a straight line. The point turns to 1. This number turns to 0. So I have here 75. Okay. So here I can still reduce further. Okay. So when I reduce this further, I can still use 5. 5 is 7 is 1, the 25 is 5, 5 and 10 is 2. Okay, so when you reduce it this way, we can replace this with this when we are solving now. So for this, I have 2 times y, that is 2y over 3 equals, this is 15 over 2. So I can easily cross multiply, okay, 2y times 2, 2y times 2 equals, so here I can say 3 times 15, okay, so for 2y times 2, I have to be 4y equals 3 times 15, I have to be 45, so I can easily get my y by dividing both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 4, okay, when you divide these two sides before, you have y equals 45 over 4, okay, so when you divide this, you have 11 whole number, 1 over 4, okay, when you change it to a mixed fraction, but when you write it as a decimal point, you have it as 11.25. So from the given 4 alternative, C is the best answer.